Still when me dead gone, me no want none of you come to my funeral and ball. Cause from morning me day in here, I cook. And me not see none of you ask me if me need help. Bet so you get nothing here. Bet you starve for that Thanksgiving here. No bad for me. Cause when me gone, that done, you know. This done when me gone, you know. So no time there. You think mother coming at all? Hey. How can I help you, mommy? Take your rice out of the cabinet, put it in a bowl and wash it. All so we can cook your rice and peas. Where's the measuring cup? Measuring cup? That measuring cup there in here. So how I'm supposed to know how much I'm supposed to pour out? What do you mean how much rice to go in there? Yeah, eyeball. Eyeball. Stop! Yo, waste me bumbo all rice. What you told me to? I say yeah, eyeball rice. More promising. Go stuff it turkey. Come like so on picking on off it nothing nowadays. On the dep on the damn phone. We soon take that from you. Come like say come turn in what this girl can't cook in the kitchen. Oh, you got married? Oh, it's slimy. Move from a turkey, man. Right. Let's come to the kitchen. I store and buy me 3 pan. That's if you do. I don't even have gloves. I say a stuffed turkey. That's do everything by myself. And there's no help to me. Why me have enough for there's no help to me? Now come back in I. Hey, mommy. I got my report card. Alright. Got a shop for me. Okay. But me want Boss Revolution. Alright. Oh, she didn't say nothing. Hey, can I get a Boss Revolution calling card? No, she didn't even hit me.
Yes,
that
girl,
one.
You're lucky.
Thanks. How about you? What did your mom say?
Girl, nothing. I'm still going to Disney World on Friday.
That's good. I think my mom turned a new leaf.
Yes, I'm so happy for you, girl.
Here you go. Alright, thanks. Okay. Simone. Me F the girl get. The little girl failing at everything. She failing at everything. Everything she's failing at. Everything. She failing at gym. She feel lunch to rocket. She feel lunch. Hey, Tappy Knife! She tell me say she there in her room a study. Me send her go to school. Me buy her a laptop. Me buy her iPhone. Hey girl, bring me your phone. And bring me a laptop too. Every time I go in there, she say, I'm studying. Me don't know what she studying. Slam the door and see what me do you. But she there in her room a study. She probably a study man. You know, let me go in and go take out the TV. Hello. Wanna stop the bumping and grinding for a second, please? May I look for one little girl. She have a spot in her forehead. Clear as day, you can't miss it.
I see this in one black blouse with a red car on the front. I want a little piece of wig and a short shorts.
Yes, I see that.
Mommy see her, little more she make Ruku go jail, but she are 21. When the girl are 16. My girl, your mother.
Alright, thanks. When I can go back to your skin out session. My Uber was supposed to bring me home. But the Uber took me to the wrong location and dropped me off here. Uber dropped you off in the wrong location? You're gonna make me go to jail for you. That me I tell you. Pass me. Bring your fucking hand.